Hello everyone, good afternoon or good morning, grade 5. So this is our first lesson for first grading period, the lesson 1, proper care of the clothes. So let's start with it. So everyone, taking care of clothes will not only make them last longer, but also it will make them look better. Buying new clothes is costly and at times unnecessary. So like we are right now in a pandemic, so the best thing that we must do is to save money, not just buy new clothes because it's not very necessary during these times. Okay, when clothes are taken care properly, they can last long time. So there are times nga your clothes, so the grown out clothes mo na, pwede mo pa na mapanghatag sa imo mga younger sisters, younger siblings, and any member of the family. Okay? When clothes are taken care, or in washing, all dirt, spots, and stains are needed to be taken away from the clothes. It only takes a few minutes each day to take care of your clothes, but there are some ways done occasionally and others seasonally. So may ara mag-take care ka sa clothes, may ara nga you have to do it every day. Sometimes may ara man nga you have to do it once a week or like once a month or maybe uh twice in a month. So those are just an example on how or with a time when are you going to take care of your clothes. So let's discuss what are those. So we have daily care, weekly care, and seasonal care. So when I say daily care, you have to do it as in every day. Okay? So what are those? Number 1, hang in clothes on hangers and air them out. Okay? So ipang hanger mo siya, kag you make sure to place it in an area wherein air can pass through. Number 2, check if there are any loose buttons and repair them right away. Okay? So if nakita mo or you have found out nga there is a loose button, ubraho na siya or tahiyo na siya kadaan, do not wait for the time nga you needed it on that day and then the same time mo man siya kayuhon. Okay? Number 3, sort clothes that need to be washed or dry clean. Okay? So, isort mo na nga daan. Every day ay higko na gali. You sort it. And then this one, it's still clean. I will keep it and I will put it on the place wherein hindi safe or hindi mahiguan. Okay? Number 4, treat spots and stains as soon as possible. Okay? So, if you found out that that certain kind of cloth has a stain, do not make or do not wait nga madugay pala siya because the longer it will stay there on the clothes, the longer man nga or the harder it is para ma-remove mo siya. Okay? So those are just the things that you have to do it daily. Next, let's proceed with the weekly care. So mga bal naman ta weekly, kada semana or every week. Number 1, machine or hand wash the clothes. So it's not necessary nga you're going to wash the clothes every day kada ubaw mo manglaba ka. You have to do it, you can do it weekly or kada semana. Okay? So para hindi waste ang water, hindi waste ang habon, hindi waste ang time. So you kinatingog mo siya every week. Number 2, iron or press clothes at one time to save energy and effort. Okay? So kung mamalansya ka, make it nga once a week lang. So, because that way, you are saving energy and also your effort. Okay? It doesn't necessarily nga kada suksok mo bayo, kada ilis mo, planchahon mo siya. You can do it tingob every week. Number 3, make necessary repair on clothes such as attaching buttons, snaps, hooks, and eyes. Okay? So, let's say if I found out nga nagdamo gali ang imo nga i-repair, you can do it once a week. Okay? Or tingbon mo siya sa every Monday sa isa ka semana ipang fix mo siya tingob. Okay? Next, we have seasonal care. When I say seasonal care, pwede once a month, pwede once every 3 months. So, it depends on you. Basta seasonal lang siya. Okay, like let's say by December. So December we are changing our curtains into something for decoration nga like Christmas theme like that. So seasonal na siya panawag. Okay, so let's discuss seasonal care. Number one, make sure that clothes are clean, dry, and free from stain when storing them. Okay, so antes mo sa taguon, make sure mo nga tinlo so that it will be safe from insects. Okay, also use mothballs as repellent in woolen clothes to prevent pests, especially rats and cockroaches. So, if you will not use mothballs, possible nga matabo is, by the time nga gamiton mo na siya, there's already damage or may buslot na siya. Kay ginkaon na sa mga insects. Number 3, make sure that clothes are completely dry when storing. Okay? So, meron kis nga it's raining and then namunpon ka, itaguon mo dayon. No, it's a no-no. You have to make sure nga malagid siya, it's completely dry antes mo keep. Next, store clothes in garment bags or boxes. Okay? So, make sure mo may bulutangan ka. Hindi lang pagbutang sa kung diin nga higad-higad. Okay? You may use the boxes, bags, or cabinets. Okay? So, those are the difference between weekly, daily, and seasonal care. In repairing clothes class, when we say repairing, we're fixing something on our clothes. Like let's say the buttons, the pockets, and other parts of the clothes. So first is darning. When we say darning, it is mending broken or worn out threads of a fabric. Okay, may gisi, so tayon mo. So there are 3 ways for you to do the darning. There is a diagonal tear, straight tear, and 3 cornered tear. Okay, so we will only apply the very simple way of sewing, which is the running stitch, like what you can see here. This is running stitch. Okay, so because you're only a grade 5, when you grow up, you will be learning this man at home and also at school. Okay, next, patching. When we say patching, we are covering something on the garment. When holes in the garment are large, patching is used for mending. The patch must match the color, design, and fabric. Okay? So it would come out lang it's just a design or part na siya sang imo nga bayo. Okay? Hindi sa obvious nga gin tukapan mo siya or gin patch mo sa. So this is how they do it. Okay? They put a pink heart so it looks like a design or iya lang yang style. Okay? Next, we have the laundering. So when we say laundering, the way we clean our clothes, we panglaba, we use soap, water, detergent, and fabric conditioner. So this is the process of washing clothes by hand. So we can do it by hand or by machine. Okay? Using water, soap, and bleach. So these are the 3 ways for you to take care of your clothes. Again, number 1, darning, panahi. Number 2, patching, tukapan kung may buslot. And laundering, labhan mo siya. So these are ways for you to take care of clothes, make it last longer, and make it very useful hasta nga magamit pa sa imo mga younger siblings or other relatives. Okay? It doesn't necessarily mean nga kung nahiguan or nagisi or may damage, you're going to throw it away or mabakala ka naman bago. Okay? So, always remember that at these times, savings is the most important and we may spend the money on any other important things rather than buying new clothes which are unnecessary. Okay? So thank you so much for listening. Please watch the video on the model that I have uploaded. This will help you learn different ways or techniques to take care of your clothes. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a good day. Bye.